Hello everyone! Typically data quality issues are discovered too late. The dashboard looks wrong and stakeholders start asking questions. Hours, sometimes days, are lost in manual investigation. Ataccama 1 changes that. It detects issues early and shows you end-to-end data lineage across your enterprise landscape with built-in data quality insights. That's why we call it augmented data lineage. Instead of just showing where data moved, you see where data quality breaks down. You trace issues to their root cause in minutes, not days. Let me show you how. This is the Alert Center, where you can see all alerts related to data quality or pipeline issues across monitored assets. Our finance team received a notification that the quality score of the loans curated table dropped to 0%. For the loans curated asset, we applied data quality rules and set a monitoring threshold of 99%, and that threshold was breached. This alert isn't just a notification, it's your entry point into root cause analysis. I open the catalog item and go directly to lineage because I want to understand what it might cause and assess the downstream impact. Now I can instantly see downstream impact. The loans curated table feeds customer overview and banking metrics table, the downstream tables, and ultimately the central banking dashboard used by senior management. Without lineage, you are guessing who might be affected, and with Ataccama 1, you see it immediately, end to end. When I switch to column level lineage, the picture becomes even clearer. Now you don't just see how data sets connect, you see data quality at the column level. The issue is isolated to one attribute, interest rate, where data quality is 0%. When I click on it, I see that this issue impacts just the banking metrics table, where several attributes are using this interest rate, and then all the other downstream non-consumption layers up to the banking dashboard. Column-level lineage shows me exactly which calculations in the dashboards are impacted. Its average risk score, risk tier, and risk-adjusted profit. And now I am not just looking at the technical issue, I am looking at potential executive misreporting. Instead of waiting for the CFO to question the numbers, I can proactively inform the dashboard owner. Now let's fix it. I look upstream at the loans row table. The interest rate attribute there shows 100% data quality. So the issue isn't at the source. It's happening during transformation. When I click on this arrow, I can drill directly into it. Now we've narrowed it down to a specific transformation snippet. I see the transformation logic responsible for standardizing interest rates. If the logic isn't immediately clear to me, I can ask one AI to explain it. It tells me that interest rate is a business term coming from loans row interest rate, which may be variably formatted. The result is the standardized interest rate as a normalized decimal rate string, making the value consistent regardless of whether the source used percent notation or decimal notation. I can even inspect the transformation context. I can review the job details, see the exact insert statement, and pinpoint exactly where the issue arises. Data stewards can immediately create a task, even in Jira or ServiceNow through native integration, attach all the details, and route it to the technical team. And more importantly, all of these insights can be exposed through MCP to external applications like Claude and Cursor, where they are immediately accessible and help you resolve issues faster using the tools your teams already rely on. But what if we don't just want to detect and fix? What if we want to prevent the issue from propagating at all? With data quality gates, you can expose data quality rules directly into your pipelines using our Python SDKs. If a quality threshold fails, the orchestration can stop the job. Bad data never reaches downstream tables, and dashboards are protected automatically. With Ataccama 1, you establish a scalable data trust layer that ensures every dashboard, every model, and every AI interaction is grounded in high-quality, governed, and trusted data.